Every day is a beautiful day at Arlington National Cemetery, and today even more so. Today we have the opening of the restored Ord and Weitzel Gate, which marks an important milestone in Arlington National Cemetery's long-range plan to preserve our priceless, monumental, and architectural history.
Just yesterday I was giving a briefing on our Southern Expansion project, and I discussed how we are building history, a project that will last as long as there is the United States of America. Now here at Ord and Weitzel, we had the honor of rebuilding history, reviving a structure with elements that go back nearly 200 years.
Our historic gates are amongst the cemetery's most unique and meaningful cultural resources, yet their stories often remain untold. In 1879, Major General Montgomery Meigs oversaw and designed this magnificent structure. The two columns in front of you date to the Federal period. They originally adored the War Department building. When that building was slated for demolition, General Meigs requested 6 of the columns for use by Arlington National Cemetery. The 2 that you see here is part of the restored gate, and the other 4 will be incorporated into the Sheridan Gate, which we will install once our southern expansion is complete. The renewed gate, accompanied with improvements to Custis Walk and the addition of a guardhouse, offers a grand pedestrian entrance to the cemetery as well as enhanced security for our visitors and our workforce. What is old here at Arlington is once again made new.